Hi everyone, today I'm making oats rabri with custard apple. For that, first we'll roast oats for 2 minutes. Now keep moving continuously, it should not be burnt. Now keep it aside. Now take a grinder, add custard apple and churn it. Now sieve it and take out the pulp out of it. Now take a pan, we'll make a caramelized coconut, add sugar and move it continuously. Now you can see it is golden brown and caramelized. Now keep it aside. Now take a pan or a karai, boil milk. It should be reduced 1/4. When it is reduced, add oats in it. Now keep it boiling for more 2 to 5 minutes till it is thickened. Now add cardamom powder. Now when it is thick, add sugar in it. Now mix the sugar. When sugar is melt, now switch off the gas. Now let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. When it is cool, add custard apple pulp. Now mix it properly. When it is mixed properly, serve in a bowl. Now garnish it with the dry fruits and caramelized coconut. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy!